Okay. So let's start with Mari's feedback. So, what is Mari to you?
Okay, guys, to be very frank, Mari is very friendly and sincere guy. He helps us in every situation. If you need his help, just ask him, and believe me, he'll help you. Regarding the work and
Work
regarding
means
his
if only Mari special. This is
his
Mari special actually. We don't have to talk about work or something. This is only for Mari.
okay, but still, I want to go into his working style. His working style is a bit different as compared to others, but still it works.
Okay. One good thing about Mari.
He's very humorous.
One bad thing about him.
One bad thing about him. Uh, okay, it's really hard to say anything bad about him. Okay, to be very frank, I told him to come to my place at around 9 a.m. and he didn't come. So I feel that he is not punctual. That's what I
Okay.
feel.
Okay. So it's my time now.
Okay. So guys, this is Mari special, and here is Mayank with us. He will tell something about Mari now. So what do you feel about Mari?
Good friend, great person,
Mm-hmm.
and very, very, very mature person in personality. He's very humorous, but at the same time, his level of maturity is something which I feel I haven't found anywhere. And really mature as far as age goes. He give pretty good solutions. I used to have any problem, I used to go and talk to him, and he used to give me solutions which were really very practical and very useful.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
this is really I like about him, and that's why I consider him a lot. For me, he means a lot. Though I'm no more working with him. It's been today I'm seeing him after somewhere around 1.5 years, but still we used to keep on talking on phone, and we were in touch. So he's a kind of person, a kind of a friend with whom you always want, and the, if he is with you, you can really think of doing something. He's really someone who is practical, humorous, an ideal person.
Okay. So now this was the good things. Now anything bad?
Yeah, he's a big time chain smoker. Damn it, and he smokes more than me. And he should stop smoking that at this level. I mean, he smokes a lot, and he should stop with this thing.
Okay. Okay. So what do you feel Mari as a lead for the GCO?
As I told you, he's very hardworking and dedicated person as well. He don't take break, only cigarette breaks he takes. And he really motivates people, and he have all the qualities to become a good manager. I'm not talking about the manager who give goalies and all that carrots. He's not that kind of person. He really shows you the clear picture, which normally managers hide from you. They show you partial picture and they mislead you. This is
Mhm.
what I have seen.
Uh-huh.
But with him, I feel he will be the person who can guide you and show you correct picture. So I think he is one of the ideal candidate to become a manager, and he should think on that point.
Okay, okay. So, in future, whenever Mari will be a manager, so do you feel that there are some areas where he can concentrate to be a very ideal manager?
Yeah, there are certain points where I feel he is a bit weak.
Mm-hmm.
At times he gets carried away.
Mm-hmm.
Though those times are very rare, once in a blue moon kind of thing. But yeah, certainly the first time I met him, and it was somewhere around 2.5 years back.
Mm-hmm.
But at that time, he was a bit more aggressive.
Mm-hmm.
But as the time progressed, he really adjusted to the condition and acclimatize himself. So I feel if he'll become a manager and if he'll have any shortcoming, he can work on it, and he will be able to rectify it, because I know I have faith in him.
Okay, thanks, man. Thanks a
Yeah.
lot. And
Thank
this
you.
was a Mary special. sorry, this was a Mari special, and probably we can hear something about his marriage also. So, okay, anyway, thanks guys.